Hello, this is 2.3 day 1 notes. We're doing example 3 this time. This is when we are no longer dividing by just a little linear guy. This time we're dividing by a quadratic. So it works the same way. I've got x squared minus 2x plus 7 on the outside. Looking at my degrees, I go 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, so I don't need any placeholders. All right, what times x squared would give me 2x to the 4th? So I need a 2, and I need 2 x's. And now this 2x squared gets multiplied by every term. So that's 2x to the 4th. 2 times negative 2 would be negative 4x cubed. 2 times 7 would be 14x squared. Same as we did before, we change our signs. So the x squareds x to the 4ths go away. Luckily for us, the 4x cubes go away as well. And then I've got 13 minus 14x squared would be negative x squared. Since I have 3 terms over here, I need to drop down as many as it takes to get 3 terms over here. We've lost 2 terms, which means instead of bringing down 1 term, I need to bring down 2 terms. And repeat the process. So what times x squared would give me negative x squared? That would be negative 1. So negative x squared minus a minus 2x is plus 2x minus 7. And then we change our signs. So 3 minus 2 would be x. Negative 11 plus 7 would be minus 4. So my answer would be 2x squared minus 1 plus, because this is a positive, x minus 4 all over x squared minus 2x plus 7. My only condition here is x squared minus 2x plus 7 can't be 0. Since this isn't factorable, I'm not going to make you put it into the quadratic formula and get too picky on me. All right, you try A and B. So here we go. We got x squared plus 3x minus 4. Quick check on my degree shows me they're all in order. So 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 7x plus 6. What times x squared would give me 2x cubed? That would be 2x. 2 times 3 would be 6x squared. 2 times negative 4 would be negative 8x. Changing my signs, I get rid of the x cubes. This time I'm going to get rid of 1. So negative 6 plus 5 would be negative x squared. 8 minus 7 is positive x. Bringing down 1 more term, I get positive 6. What times x squared gives me negative x squared? Again, that's negative 1. So negative x squared. Negative times 3 is negative 3x. Negative times a negative 4 is positive 4. Changing our signs. X squareds go away. 3. X plus x would be 4x. 6 minus 4 would be 2. So I've got 2x minus 1 plus 4x plus 2 all over x squared plus 3x minus 4. There we go, finally caught up. All right, this time x squared plus 3x minus 4 can't be 0, which means x plus 4, x minus 1 can't be 0. Oops. Got a little ahead of myself there. X minus 1 can't be 0, because that's how this guy factors out. Which means x can't be negative 4 or positive 1. All right, for B, we go 5, 4, whoops, we're missing 3, 2, 1, whoops, we're missing none. So 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus x on the outside. Inside the division house, I've got 6x to the 5th minus x to the 4th plus, not 12x squared, I need the 0x cubed, then plus 12x squared plus 15x, and then plus 0. All right, what times 3x cubed will give me x to the 5th? That would be 2x squared. That gives me 6x to the 5th. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4x squared, or x to the 4th. 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. All right, and changing my signs, I've got 4 minus 1 would be 3x to the 4th. Negative 2 plus 0 is negative 2x cubed. Bring down just one more term. All right, what times 3x cubed would give me 3x to the 4th? That would just be x. I have the 3 already, I just need one more x. X times negative 2x squared is negative 2x cubed. X times x is positive x squared. Changing our signs, this time we get rid of 2 of them, which is kind of cool. So these guys both cancel out. 12 plus 1 would be 13x. Oh, no, that changed to changed to a positive. 13x squared. And then bring down the 15x. This time, what times 3x cubed will give you an x squared? Can I ever go backwards like that? Nope. I can't multiply it by something and reduce the degree. So my answer is going to be 2x squared plus x. And then what I have left over is 3x squared plus 15x. All divided by the divisor, which is 3x cubed, minus 2x squared plus x. All right, what are my restrictions on this one? This guy here can't be 0. So here's where you get into big money. Do you remember your stuff from Algebra 2 or not? Let's factor out my GCF, which is x. That can't be 0, which means this. 3x here. My only factors 1 are 1 and 1. Let's factor that guy. I need it to be a negative 2 here, so what happens if I make them both negative? I have negative 3x minus x, that's not going to work, right? That's not going to give me negative 2x, and I need them both to be the same side in order to be positive. So I can't factor this one any further. So the best I could say for my restriction for this one, oh, great job, Ms. Harris, would be 3x squared, what was that, minus 2x plus 1 can't equal 0, and x can't equal 0. But this would be my restriction that would go right there. Or even at this point, that would be acceptable. All right, when you come back, I've got one more video for you. It's going to be on synthetic division. We knocked that out of the park today on Monday. But if you still need help with just synthetic, come back.